Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to use the Users and Access feature. To get started, move over to Settings and click on Users and Access. Here, you'll see a list of all your team members, their position, workspace role, date added, last active time, and options to edit or delete each user. To add a new member, click on the Add Member button. Search for the user using their Loubby AI email. Assign them a position within your company, and then select a role, either from the default roles or from your own custom roles. Let's go over the default roles available on the platform. 1. Admin. This role grants full control of the organization's account. Admins can manage users, permissions, billing, integrations, and have access to all jobs, pipelines, and analytics. Second Site Administrator. Similar to admin, but focused more on technical setup. They handle settings, roles, permissions, and platform configuration. Third Recruiter. Recruiters can create, post, edit, and manage jobs. They can review candidates, move applicants through hiring stages, and communicate with them directly. 4. Talent Manager. Focused on candidate quality, sourcing, and relationship management. They can review applicants and manage shortlisted candidates, but they cannot create jobs. Fifth Line Manager. This is usually the department head. They can view applicants for their department, give feedback, and join interviews, but their access is limited to their specific roles. Sixth Job Facilitator. They assist in the hiring process, handling scheduling, communication, and coordination. They have access to job posts and candidate tracking, but not to advanced settings. Seventh Interviewer. They only see candidates they're scheduled to interview. They can review interview notes, but have no access to other candidates or admin features. 8. Collaborator. They have partial access to specific jobs or pipelines. They can view candidate profiles and leave comments, but can't edit job details. Ninth Guest. A view-only role, ideal for clients, external consultants, or temporary reviewers. They can view candidate profiles but cannot edit, hire, or message candidates. Once you've selected the appropriate role, for example, admin, click Add Member. You'll see a success message confirming the new member has been added. The user will then receive an invitation and can log in to access the workspace. Next, let's look at the advanced settings. You can create your own custom role by clicking Add Role. Give your role a name, then set permissions across different features. For example, under Scorecard Templates, you can grant read, write, or update permissions. You can customize these permissions for each feature as needed. Once you're done, click Confirm, and your new custom role will be added successfully. And that's it. You've learned how to manage users, assign roles, and create custom permissions using the Users and Access feature on Loubby AI. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Visit loubby.ai to get started.